Whether this is your first semester of college or you're almost to the finish line, starting the semester always feels overwhelming. So to make sure you have everything you need, in Exit 2, we're going to help you create a semester checklist. This checklist will serve as your personal, customized reminder of things you should do and know before the semester begins, as well as a handful of resources to keep handy. We've established some basic categories for your list to help you sort out all of the things you'll need to do in order to get prepared for each semester. We've also jam-packed each of the topic folders with links to articles and videos that will help you customize your checklist to meet your unique needs. Make sure you complete each of the active learning cycles in the topic folders so that you can build your study checklist, your semester checklist, as you go. Let's take a brief look at the steps of the exit ticket. Remember to read the quick overview. Again, we're creating a beginning of the semester checklist. And again, the estimated time to put this together would be about 1 hour, but that's depending upon if you have went through the topic folders and completed the active learning cycles in order to have already built most of the components of your checklist. Be sure to click on here for student examples. There are lots of student examples to choose from. Here's an example student checklist for you. Here are some additional resources. Again, these are not required readings. We are inviting you to read these in order to help you build your checklist. And again, as you can see, some of them are labeled checklists, so everything you need to know. Okay, so now that you're ready to build your checklist, step 1 is to organize all your information. And again, one of the easiest ways to do that is to use the Word template. And you can certainly use this as your beginning of the semester checklist. Once you've organized your information under each one of these categories, what you're going to do in order to prepare for each of these categories, and then adding a suggestive due date about when you'll complete these before the semester starts, you'll create your checklist. And again, you can use the Word template, or you can spice it up and use a different program in order to make it something that gives you creative freedom. So when you finish your checklist, be sure to save it on your computer. And now you're ready, just about ready to submit. So let's click on the link. And first, you want to make sure you check the due date, the point value, the rubric. Make sure you carefully read every category. And then read the prompts, because as always, in addition to uploading your exit ticket, we'll ask you a question or two. So make sure that you're responding to those. So depending on your instructor, you will either submit your exit ticket into a discussion board or a tool called Padlet. There are links and tutorials for both of these options. And that's it. You've created your semester checklist. Good luck, and we'll see you at Exit 2.